Hey, what's up guys? John here at Maniacs Garage, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. This is a Tacoma video. When you go with 33s, these are 33-inch tires I upgraded. They were 32s, and 32s cleared pretty good, but once you go that one more inch, you gotta trim the body mount on the frame on these trucks. And so I'm gonna hop right into that. That's what we're gonna work on today. Check it out. I already started on the driver's side because I wanted to see what I was getting into. So this is what I'm talking about right here. This is part of the body mount right here. This bolt cab mounts to it right there. And this is just taking about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch off, shortening it back that way so that when the wheel is turning, you got clearance right there. So I used my cutting wheel, cut this out nice and clean. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and make a little template out of paper. And I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that onto a piece of flat stock, cut it, weld it in, move on to the other side, and hopefully this will be a cool little short video of just how to clearance the front wheels on a Tacoma. I know that there are some videos out there, but I think this one's gonna make it a lot simpler. Let's get started. All right guys, so first things first, you pull the wheels off the truck, jack it up. Well, first you jack it up, then you pull the wheels off. Make sure you have jack stands under it for safety. You always want to be cautious with everything. You know, this is one of those things that it does require some skill, so it's not for everyone to do this thing. So whatever we do on this channel here, we do for ourselves, and we don't condone you doing this thing. And if you do want to do it, then you're doing it at your own risk. But in my case, you know, I want to make sure that I am taking all the safety precautions as much as I can. So I'm going to wear glasses, and I got my earplugs in, I got a mask on, gloves on, because it is pretty messy. It can be pretty dangerous. So just FYI. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mark the area on the frame that I'm going to cut out. So we're going to clearance it, you know, give some more room for the tires to be able to turn. And I'm gonna go ahead and mark that with the marker, take some measurements, and then I'm gonna get cutting. I almost forgot, you do need to move this plastic piece out of the way. It's just a 10mm. All right, let's get a bungee. Alright, we're ready to start cutting. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this will come off. Alright. Well, it needs a little more trimming, but it's getting there. That's it! Now I went ahead and took a piece of like construction paper and I drew it out, and this is going to be my template for my piece of flat stock. Alright, let's go make 2 pieces of steel. Alright, here's a nice 3-inch by 12-inch. I think it's an 1/8 inch thick flat stock. It's going to be perfect for this. Let's trace it out. Boom. I'm gonna do another one for the other side. I wish I had a nice steel bandsaw, nice and clean, run it through and cut it, but I don't. I'm gonna have to work with trusty old cutting wheel. Definitely messy. I'm gonna clean up the edges. I changed my wheel out. Test fit time. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. All right, I think it's time to get this thing well. Oh man, the camera got trashed with the grinding. That lens is done. That was a nice lens too. All right, so yeah, this piece is ready to go in. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little Lincoln and weld this thing in. But now before I disconnect the negative terminal on my battery. Alright guys, John signing out from Maniacs Garage. Thanks for watching this Toyota Tacoma mod episode with me. I hope you guys hit that thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and come back because we got so much more stuff with our 49 Ford body swap BMW and the 62 Merc back there. So hope you guys stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.